of life was sweet, like bread upon my tongue. But this is life I see, it were a foolish game. The way I live and breathe, with this I contemplate the 1,000 dream I dream. It's funny things I've learned, I always built to last. When we couldn't shift inside, I live all night and shine the naked light of day. And only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild pleasures that lay so for me, and so much pain mothers and lives refuse to see. I run so fast that time, and you'll rush right now. I never stop to think what life was all about, and every conversation that I can recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. And I used my imagination as if it were a one, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played, but arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit too quickly died. The friends I made it all seem somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end up play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild pleasures that lay so for me, and so much pain mothers and lives refuse to see. There are so many songs, and me they won't be sung, 'cause I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. And the time has come for me to pay for yesterday, when I was young. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain mothers and lives refuse to see. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain mothers and lives refuse to see. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay so for me, and so much pain mothers and lives refuse to see. La 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 Ngayon, another song po from Whitney Houston, rendition by Gigi Delana.